G'day Wellingtonians, I'm guessing you're googling shoe repairs and I've popped up. Hi, my name's Shane, I'm from the shoe repair store. If you've got any shoes that you'd like a quote on, just click on the link in the description and you'll get a free quote back real soon. All our repairs are guaranteed. If you have any questions at all, before, during or after, just get in touch and I'll get them sorted for you. Thanks for your time. Love your bow coops and want to save them from the landfill? Worn heels, slippery soles and scuffed uppers? Hi, I'm Shane, proud owner of Shane Bar Shoe Repairs. For a limited time, you get new heels, half soles and a professional polish for just $130 a pair. Learn more below. What will it cost to mend your broken shoes, boots and bags? Hi, I'm Shane and I'd love to help you with your repairs and get them back in use. If you're from Stewart Island or Cape Reinga or anywhere in between, send us a question about your repairs before you parcel them up and we will email you ideas and a free quote. To get your repairs sorted, click the free quote button below now.